Hey y'all, Digital Shaman here. We're trying something new right now, and I'm feeling the presence of Archangel Raphael. When I woke up this morning, it was green light all around me. Actually, Levert, which is the French word for green. So, very simple. Archangel Raphael has a healing message. Let's have to put the green light. He has a healing message for us. So we're gonna see what that message is. Does anyone else's guides come to them in foreign language? Like I've had to continue. I mean, I knew French growing up as a kid, but spirit guides are interesting, right? But let's see what Raphael has to say about a message of healing from the angels. That's what today's tarot reading is. Queen of Cups, Death card, Ten of Wands, Eight of Pentacles. Let's clarify the Death card. What is the tone here? Yeah. We have to come into our own power because we feel hopeless. And it's weird. I was like, what the other message that I was titling this reading, and I'm recording it, and I haven't even titled it in my head. It was like healing and hope. So eight of swords is restriction. Eight is a number of power, and this lady here can wiggle out of those binds. She can take off that the cord around her, the bandana around her eye, and continue on her journey. But she can. We got another guy here who has put that work in, because 10 is a calmation, the 1 and the 0, but you're still, you're hitting your head against the wall here. Oppression, struggle. So, and ultimately, when you heal and you get better, you shed your skin, you transform. That's why we got this death card. There's never literal death here. No, never literal death here, people. So what Archangel Raphael is telling me is we need a message to figure out how to transform ourselves so that we can come into the healing. The Queen of Cups. I think that's y'all. That's me and y'all. That's me getting, I love the Chalice. I feel like that's something internal to me. That's a symbol of receiving intuitive message. Actually, yeah, this is us. This is y'all. I'm receiving the message as y'all are receiving the message. Kind of meta there. But let's keep going because my guy over here, hard at work, is a key to some of the answers that we need to know. What is going on? We have to master our emotions. The Queen of Cups, she's in her fields. The King of Cups has mastered those fields, and that's why he's floating along on that water. Wow. Okay, we have so emotional maturity. Because we got our king, who I always say is like the wise grandpa. He's going to give you the advice that you need, but with gentleness. The Page of Cups, that's melancholy. Yeah, it starts with an adjustment and an emotional attitude. All right, let's pull some more cards. What else? Where are we going here? Because clearly we see some frustration and we see some emotional challenges. How do we work through these emotional challenges? Knight of Wands. Ooh, Eight of Wands. Oh, that's connecting with spirit guides. Absolutely. Two of Pentacles I see as movement. Yes, there we go. That's what we want to get. So yeah, some of y'all are not talking to y'all spirit guides. They feel ignored. They feel ignored. And it's interesting too, because pages also are messengers. So I feel like even though we're doing this reading collectively here, there's an individualized message that y'all will receive. Because this is, actually, even the Knight, I feel like, well, Page is the messenger. The Knight's carrying the message to you swiftly and quickly. Energy, haste, movement. And to me, we have 3 cards of movement. Knight, Eight of Wands, and this is now energy. And even the Two of Pentacles, that's like this guy's dancing back and forth. So get to moving. Get to moving and grooving, because don't forget, healing is still work. And yeah, we still need to focus on this work though. But hold on, let me pull some more cards. We'll put our, I like to keep order here on the digital shaman tarot readings. Don't lie to yourself about what you need to heal. Have integrity. A lot of kings. A lot of kings. I think these kings are showing us, what we can strive. What is there waiting to unfold? And this King of Pentacles is living his best life. I mean, luscious. Look, you can't even tell if it's the garden or if it's his outfit. It's all blending as he's wearing these robes, decorated by grapes. Think about grapes. You just step on them, squish, squish, squish. They're squishing out abundance. You see this Taurus bull sign, like abundance. Yeah, but it's interesting. Ooh, sorry. Yes, we're going to get there. That's also celebration. That's what your guys are saying. We want to get to this. This is the end line here, celebration. But that work. So, because I want to examine some more of the pentacles here. This is work. And this is juggling something back and forth. Oh, karma. Because that 8, that infinite symbol. Yeah. Some of y'all you got to look at, all right, what is the blockage from? Because I see here, all right, now more messages are coming in. Yes. Y'all know, yeah, acknowledge what you have to heal. It's okay. We all come into this world with wounds. This person's blindfolded. This person has their head to the rods. This person's looking away. I need y'all to look at the work you need to do to come into this joy, to come into this 3 of Cups of joy, knowing y'all are supported by, like, 8 of Wands. I love the 8 of Wands. I mean, I'm a high energy person. Y'all are supported. Some of y'all have old guys. I think that's why we got a lot of these kings. A lot of these kings. All right, well, I don't even know what this card is for. Let's flip it. Yes, your guides. Hello. A lot of cups. We don't have, just one sword. Yeah, just one sword. So the work lies, and these pentacles also in the body. So like I said, to me, I'm not saying go out there to be a CrossFit, run marathon. I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that level of intensity. I do believe in this movement. 1 foot, look, 1 foot. What was that, Nemo? Right foot, left foot, right. Oh, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Yeah. Yeah, just get out there and move. Take care of your body. But take off these blindfolds. Listen to your spirit guides. Right there. Whatever modalities you believe in. Angels, traditional religion, pagan, Wicca, whatever. It doesn't matter. Find your own flavor and brand. But you need to integrate your guides, your own spiritual practices. You got to bring in some maturity. Yes, okay, that's why these kings in. Because you got to mature to look at what you need to fix. I don't like all these blinders. You got to look at what you need to fix. Do the work. The joy is waiting to unfold. The joy and the abundance is waiting to unfold. Ooh, this was good. All right, we're going to wrap up with, Archangel. Man, I'm still feeling that green. Guess there's some healing I may need. I always need a little healing. I'm always struggling with my sensitive digestion. But okay, we're going to close out just 2 cards. One last message from Archangel Raphael 444. That's my awakening number. That's the angel number. It's something that I resonate highly with. Let's get our last 2 messages, and then we're going to end the reading. This card is y'all. Stop being argumentative and listen, because they're right there. The angels, right there waiting. A lot of cups. They're right there waiting to work with you. Don't shy away from it. Don't run away from it. Don't run. Like, look at this, from the birds, the clouds. Don't run away from what you may be hearing and sensing. It's all for the betterment of you. Okay, if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more crypto, tarot, technology, and spirituality and messages and whatever comes across the wire. Sending you lots of love and light, Digital Shaman. I'm out.